Listen carefully. No one is coming to rescue your life. No perfect timing, no secret opportunity, no moment where everything suddenly gets easier. And the sooner you accept that, the faster you take control. At some point, support fades. People get busy, priorities change, and encouragement disappears. Not because people are evil, but because life is heavy for everyone. Waiting for motivation is dangerous. Waiting for permission is worse. Waiting for someone to believe in you is the fastest way to stay stuck. Life rewards self-responsibility, not excuses, not potential, not intentions. You don't need confidence to move. You need action. Confidence is built after movement, not before it. Every time you delay responsibility, you give your power away. And every time you take responsibility, even when it hurts, you take it back. No one is coming to organize your life, fix your habits, save your future, or protect you from regret. That's your job, and that's not pressure, that's freedom. The moment you stop waiting, you stop being weak. Take responsibility, move anyway, and build a life that doesn't need saving.